Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial by Viking Consultancy. Today we are going to go through how to locate your Uniview devices on your network. We are going to keep this video short and simple. We will go over more details of the software in another video. Let's get started. First let's download EZ Tools, Uniview's proprietary software for device management. Go to the Uniview website www.uniview.com. Go to Support and you will see quite a large submenu. Go to Maintenance Tools. Scroll down and locate EZ Tools. Download EZ Tools 2.0 and install on a computer on the same network as your camera system. You can pause this video until you have finished installing the software. Okay, now that we have EZ Tools installed, let's open the software. As you can see, this is a small and simple software but quite powerful. Now make sure to have the boxes ticked for the devices you are trying to locate. If you are looking for camera, then click IPC, if you are looking for recorders, then click NVR. If you would like to see all Uniview devices, then tick all the boxes. Once you have done this, you will see a list of items, and each item has an IP address. You can use this address to access the device or click on the E in the Operations tab. Now you have the IP address for your devices and can access them via your web browser when needed. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to get more quick tutorials.